Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply stake your XRP token on PancakeSwap. So right now we're on PancakeSwap.finance. The link to this site will be pasted in the video description below. So what we're going to do is simply connect our wallet. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. But if yours isn't, you simply click on connect, which would be displaying right here. And once that's done, once you've connected your wallet, you simply click on earn and head over to the farms. And once you've arrived on the farms, we're going to be working on getting our XRP staked. Seeing as you can't really directly stake a single token, you're going to have to stake like two. You're going to have to add liquidity to what you're staking. So for the video, I'm going to be staking XRP and BNB. So you simply click on this and you click on add liquidity. That's if you do not possess an XRP-BNB liquidity already. You could just simply do this. So currently I have 3 XRP, which is equivalent to $1.34 or 46 cents. So if you click on max here, $1.54, it's not equivalent to the BNB balance. So what we're going to do is we're going to be staking or making sure our liquidity is based on this BNB. On the BNB we have at hand right now. So let's get that done. You simply click on enable XRP. Remember guys, make sure your liquidity and make sure your XRP and whatever token you're pairing your XRP with, which in this case is going to be BNB, should be on the same level. You click on confirm. Okay, the XRP has been enabled. Our next step is to simply click on add. So we're going to be adding XRP-BNB. We're going to be adding liquidity. So you simply click on add again, waiting for confirmation. Then click on approve. Transaction has been submitted. So we're going to be viewing this on the BSC scan so we can actually take a look or dive in and look at what we actually did. The transaction hash is shown. You can see the block here as well from my native BNB wallet to the staking, the liquidity address. So our value in BNB is 0.28 and the gas price is also shown as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it some time to display everything. The status was a success, 5-block confirmation 28 seconds ago. And we should be receiving our LP token as soon as possible. All right, we head back now to PancakeSwap. Once there, we're going to be searching for our farm, which is going to be XRP BNB. All right. And we're going to be staking. As you can see, we have 1 LP available for farming, which came from the addition of liquidity into the market. So you simply click on stake. We're going to be staking our XRP. A smart contract call is going to pull in. You click on approve. So we've currently staked 0.4 USD and 0.24 XRP. You can simply unstake this if you'd wish or if you'd like. It's quite simple, guys. So guys, that's how you can simply stake your XRP on PancakeSwap. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.